Hello, everybody. This is George Lopez here at Alisal EdTech once again. On this short little screencast, I will show you how to create a new Google Classroom and how to change the theme. Rather simple. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get into Google Classroom, and there's different ways to do this. I like to get to it by clicking on the array here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Go ahead and start Classroom. And if you've used Classroom before, you will get a screen that shows your classes. So what you want to do, is you want to go ahead and click the plus sign on here, and you want to go ahead and create a class. So I'm going to go ahead and call this test class, or you can add other things on. Oops, made a mistake here. Let's do it again. Create a class, test class. You can also add other options on there. Once you're ready to go and you like it, go ahead and click create. It will take a few seconds to create your classroom. Once your classroom is created, of course, you'll need to get your students in there. But before you do that, you can go ahead and make some changes on it. So here you can see my class was created. Looks like it's still taking a little bit of time to get this done. Here is my new class. Notice that normally in the background here, it will add some kind of background. For some reason, there's an icon on here and it doesn't have a picture. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and select the theme on here. So if I click here, select the theme, I can go ahead and select from a lot of different themes that Google has on here from the gallery. You can also choose patterns if you just want patterns to be shown on there, kind of plain. You can click that also. Or the other thing that you can do is you can actually, I'm going to go ahead and click cancel here. I'm going to go ahead and back to select theme is I can go ahead and actually add a theme on here from a photo. So notice that select the theme. I'm going to go ahead and upload a photo instead. And I already have a photo here on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click from my computer. I'm going to go ahead and click this banner that I have on here. Click open. And once you load it up, it's going to give you a window that looks something like this. And notice that you're able to adjust the size of it. So my image here looks a little bit too big, but you kind of get the gist as to how this works. You want to find an image that is just about the right size on here. So we'll see what it looks like for me. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and select it as a class theme. It'll take a second, and notice how it changed the background here. So it's a better description of what my topic is in this classroom. I hope this was helpful and that you'll be able to use this. If you need additional help, you know where to find me. Have a great day.